The main lodge at Kings Mountain is centered on a regulation golf course with adjacent tennis courts. Individual A-frames or chalets accommodate your lodging at Kings Mountain. Most of these privately situated but still close to the golf course. Contemporary lodging and world-class activities are offered at Seven Springs Mountain Resort. In addition to golf and tennis, Seven Springs offers swimming and unmatched alpine cuisine in its main lodge. And finally, we offer, in true Laurel Highlands tradition, our very own bed and breakfast accommodations, the Youghiogheny Guest House. Beautifully restored with turn-of-the-century charm and character, our guest houses within walking distance of the falls, the bike path, and the outdoor center. For small-town charm and personal service, the Youghiogheny Guest House is the perfect choice. So, no matter your tastes or the size of your group, our reservations office can arrange the accommodations to make your stay with us perfect. Give our 800 number a call. So the choices are yours, folks. Spring, summer, or fall, Laurel Highlands River Tours and Outdoor Center offers the best in outdoor excitement for all ages and any size group. With tent camping or world-class accommodations, with easy whitewater thrills for the family, or the crashing adventure of Class 4 and 5 whitewater for your adult group. With the strategic capture the flag game, or relaxing time just bicycling, swimming, or enjoying the sights and sounds of Youghiogheny State Park, it's all here. So give our 800 number a call and let us set your family or group on the course to adventure they'll never forget.
And welcome to Laurel Highlands River Tours. Today's Tuesday, August 26th. We're in Youghiogheny State Park. Today we're going to be doing the mighty Lower Yough. You can see everybody's tentatively listening to a talk-up given by the trip leader on today's trip, which is Bo. And yes, gang, Bo knows rafting. All he's basically telling them is how to get down the river safely. And also, the golden rule of whitewater rafting, which is to never, ever stand up in the white water. If you break that rule, I guarantee you it's going to break you.
On the right side of the raft, you start your back paddle. The left side of the raft will paddle forward. That's the raft.
Here we are at the put-in. As we look upstream, we can see the Youghiogheny State Falls. Short little drop of 18 feet. And you can see all the customers are putting their rafts in the water. Well, hey gang, we'll see you out there at that first rapid called Entrance. All right, Entrance Rapid. We have our first unguided missile coming down through now. How's it going, gang? Here comes our next unguided missile down through. Yeah, all right. How's it going, gang? Yeah, this boat's loving it up here at Entrance Rapid. First rapid on the trip. Yeah, they love it. They're having a good time. Wow. Comes our next group down through. gang. Doing good. Hey, now. Here comes our next bunch of rafters down. Closely followed by another one. Almost bumper raft. Got number 19 coming at us, a little sideways. Whoa, yeah. Okay, now get up and paddle, gang. Paddle. Got to paddle. There we go. Get it straightened out. How you doing? Cool. All right, gang. Hey, look at this boat here. They're stuck up on a rock. Hey, what are you doing, gang? Stuck on a rock, are you? Look, they're trying to use their paddles as crowbars. Just move away from the rock. Get the weight off the rock. You'll probably come free. Now bounce, bounce. They're still trying to figure it out. There you go. That's it. Try to push it off. Well, again, that pretty much wraps it up here at Entrance Rapids. Stay tuned for more fun. Here we are at Youghiogheny Rapids. Here come the unguided missiles now. Doing good, gang, doing good. Yeah, all right. Everybody's doing good here at Youghiogheny Rapids. Yeah, these people are loving it, having a great time out here. Good job, gang. Everybody's doing just fine. Yeah! Number 11 coming at us. Bouncing off the rocks. Hello, now they're stuck. Hand signals given by Brian, the Dun Barbarian. There, Tommy's behind him, helping him out. All right, good job, gang. Coming at us. Alright, gang, that pretty much wraps it up here at Youghiogheny Rapids. Everybody's doing just great out there, gang. Stay tuned for more fun and excitement. Here we are, Railroad Rapids. Yeah, you got the unguided missiles coming through now. Number 19, oh! They all fell down, but they all got back up. Good job, gang. 14 stuck a little bit. They're figuring it out. Hey, backwards, cool. Way to be, gang. Awesome. Getting instructions on by Bo. Telling them how to go. Down through Railroad Rapid. Oh, we're stuck. Hey, look, they're still backwards. Hey, gang, try going forward. There you go. Now paddle, paddle, paddle. All right. 21 doing it up. Yeah, number 11 all over it. All right. There's everybody stayed in the boat. They all got knocked down a little bit though. No big deal. Everybody's paddling. Little assistance by Doug. Yeah. Hey, how's it going, gang? Yeah, what's up? Well, gang, that pretty much wraps it up here at Railroad Rapids. Stay tuned for more fun and excitement. Oh, wow. Okay, here we are at Lose Your Lunch Rapids. You can see everybody's been tentatively listening to Brian, the Dun Barbarian, give a little talk up before they enter into Lose Your Lunch Rapids, aka Dimple Rock. This is Dimple Rock where Bo's at. He's going to help everybody out with his footwork if they hit the rock. And if they fall out, we got Tommy ready to set up safety. Well, let's see how the customers fare here at Dimple Rock Rapids. And here we have the Dun Barbarian bringing our first rafters down through Lose Your Lunch Rapids. Check it out, we got one rider got it! We got two people out! Yes, indeed, two people! There's the second one! Help us, save them, oh my garage! Cheese and rice, pull them in, help them! Rescue them, yeah! Alright, Tommy to the rescue! Yeah, you gotta love it, man! Beach like a whale up on a rock! Yeah, alright! And the second boat load! Yeah, alright! They cleaned the whole boat out! Yeah! You gotta love it here, gang! We got some whitewater carnage at Dimple Rock Rapids! People, paddle, gear everywhere! Yeah! You gotta love it, gang! Help them, save them! Oh my garage! Cheese and rice! Rescue them! Save them! Pull them to safety! Do what you can! Here comes our next boat down through. Yeah, they hit the rock and went boing. Good job, gang. Yeah, awesome. Didn't do anything and you made it. Wow. Yeah, Tommy to the rescue. He's pulling them in left and right. Yeah, get in the boat, gang. Wow. Yeah. Help them. Wow. And here comes our next raft, number 11, coming at us. Going strong, they're gonna make it, yes indeedy. Good job, gang, good job. Way to hang in there, gang. We pan downstream. We got some customer way down there that Doug helped pull in. How many people can Tommy fit in his raft? We'll find out, gang. 21 coming at us, stroking hard. Nice, they made it. They're giving high fives to Bo too. Cool, gang. Way to be. Here comes another raft down in. Oh, they hit this rock. Lost one, two of them, yes! And they're going to maybe lose some more of them, I don't know. Are they going to high side? Are they going to flip out? I don't know, gang. They're high siding. They're climbing the walls. Tommy got a couple over here. That boat's full of water. They're high siding, high siding. Tommy got some more. Here comes our next raft down in. They're going a little backwards here. Uh-oh, what are they doing here? They're stuck on the shore. I hope they make it. They're they're coming down, they're coming, and they're going to make it. Yes, indeed. Good job, gang. Good job. Yeah, awesome, gang. Pat yourselves on the back. Got 4 in the boat there. Tommy got the other 2. Whoa, we got some more out there in the water. Yes, indeed. Oh, my garage. Now they're all out there. One's in the danger eddy. Bo's pulling the boat off. And the other ones are floating down. Yes! That's what I call the whitewater carnage here. Just when you think you're safe, you're not. Yeah! Woohoo! All right, this is fantastic, gang. Bo's going to set the raft free here. Yes, there it goes. The empty boat. Hey, who belongs in there? Grab it, save it. Oh, my garage. It's floating away. Now look at how many people Tommy's got in his boat. Isn't this awesome, gang? Well, hey, folks, it's pretty much wrapped up here at Dimple Rock Rapid. Stay tuned for more fun and excitement, gang. Voila! Yeah! Here we are at double hydraulics. Good look at the first one. Good look at the second one. Let's see how the customers fare here at double hydraulics. Here comes our first unguided missile down through double hydraulics. Yeah, nice job through the first one. Missed the second one. Good job, gang. Yeah. All right. Raft 14. Trying to get it straightened out. Coming down through. Double hydraulics. Air stroking away. They got it. Yeah, they do. Good job. Whoa! Nice hit on the second one, gang. Good job. Raft 21 coming at us. Going strong. Uh-oh, they spun around a little backwards. Coming into it backwards, definitely. Not doing anything. All right, they made it through the first one. Yeah. Bypassed the second one. All right, gang. Here comes another unguided missile down through. Nice, right through the first one. All right, good job, gang. Number 19 coming at us. Stroking away, coming down. Yeah, all right. Yeah, carnage, carnage. Looks like Mom's in the water. Help her, save her, get her out of the water. Do something. We got the whitewater carnage here at double hydraulics. You gotta love it, gang. Somebody fell out. Save Mom, save Mom. Got another raft coming down through. Stroking away, trying to get it. Still paddling, getting it lined up. And they love it out here, yeah. All right, nice. Number 11, coming down. They're all stroking pretty hard. They're wanting to punch through that first hydraulic. Yeah, all right, gang. Yeah, we got some more whitewater carnage here. Help him, save him, get him in the raft. Help him, help him. Yeah, some more whitewater carnage. Double hydraulic. Well, hey, gang, stay tuned for more fun and excitement because it pretty much wraps it up here at Double Hydraulic. Here we are at Stair Step Rapids. We got Doug in the booster coming down. Yeah, as you can see, everybody loves it here at Stair Step Rapids. We got our first unguided missile coming at us now. Yeah, they're not even paddling, they're all right. Good job, gang. Comes number 11 at us. Yeah, a little backwards, sideways. Hey, whatever it takes, gang, to get down the river. Number 21 looks like they're stuck. Stuck on a rock. They're figuring it out, moving the weight around. Coming at us. All right, yeah. Nicely done, gang. And it looks like we got Dunbar in the raft helping them out. Teams all over it, gang. Way to be. And look, they got a guide in there now. All right, cool. Number 19 coming at us. Going strong. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Yeah, they're loving it up here at Stair Step Rapids. Hey now. Yeah! Nicely spun around that rock. Here comes our next raft, down a little backwards. Yeah, all right, nice. Spicing the trip up, going backwards. Way to be, gang, way to be. Okay, gang, well, hey, that pretty much wraps it up for Stair Step Rapid, and it also wraps it up on today's video. On behalf of Laurel Highlands and the entire guide staff and me, the Video Idiot Rich, I'd like to thank you all for coming down with us, and I hope you all had a great time, gang. See you again soon. Ciao.